The perimeter of a square is proportional to the length of one side. A square with 10-inch sides has a perimeter of 40 inches. So we are starting off with the ratio 10 to 40. Because it's proportional, we know that it grows by the same rate and starts off at 0, 0. So it grows by the same exact rate every single time. The perimeter of a square is proportional to the length of one side. Okay, so for every side, a square with 10-inch sides has a perimeter of 40 inches. So every time the square is 10 by 10 by 10 by 10, all the way around, it would be 40. If I then took that square and I did it twice, on each side, it would be 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. So we are doing the total perimeter for y equals, and we need to do how much it's growing by. So that would be 40 divided by 10, which is 4 over 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So we are growing by 4 every single time. That perimeter is going to grow by 4. And that is our constant proportionality. Constant growth. And x is the number of times we're multiplying that side length. So we're multiplying that side length by 2 in this case. When I was doing this little square over here, we could also do it by 3. Okay, the picture representation. Remember how important it is to visualize what's going on in mathematics so it makes sense. Okay, but how much am I growing by? What am I multiplying by every single time? So y equals 4x.